Pick these up to Blasi's. What? Fold up and go in a bag? You kidding me? 50cc 2-strokes, barn find, and I even got the bags. There's another one in here, boys. Check it. There's the bag for this one. So he thinks he toned this one up. It's Italian. Blake eats Italian food, so.
Yeah, it's meatball.
It's
It's a blind meatball.
We're gonna see. I told him this one's gonna be for on-road only, I think. The Blasi. That stands for really classy.
It stands for spicy blind meatball.
I'm finna fire up the D-Blasi. The D-Classy. That's harder starting than the daggum CR500, boys.
You got a lot of compression.
Alright, we got the fuel on. I guess that don't kick up. Here, I'll try to kick it in. I guess that just beats the shit out of your leg.
Yeah.
Alright, let's take it out there and send it, I guess. Stay close. I want to see it when it comes apart.
Alright.
Damn, it's moving.
Oh yeah. It's a sketch machine.
Dude, I rode it. It's just staring over the front tire the whole time. It's so sketchy. Yes, you won. Dude, it'll get up a hill though.
Yeah, it feels like you're gonna die.
Feels like it does feel like you're gonna die, bro. That's a good example. Go ahead and get in the attack position so I can show them. Your head's pretty much over the front tire.
Yeah.
Your back and your ass is pretty much behind the back tire. Damn, dude.
It just feels like everything's about to fold in half.
It'd be fun at Pate though, on the blacktop.
Yeah.
Want to go in there and show them how the transmission works?
And I think this needs to go way further. So. Yeah.
You guys got to watch how this shifts over here. It's pretty crazy. Oh, oh. With them. Oh, it fucking clapped it out finally. Now some of these, you know.
What are these made out of? Aluminum can?
Oh my god. Oh, oh you snapped it. Fucking ruined it, man. You just quit breaking stuff. Look at how that shit. This some bitch is quick now.
Yeah.
Dude, the window is just folded up all at once.
Yeah.
Time me, dog, because I think I remember how to do this. So, you unlatch something from here, you unlatch something from here, you unlatch this or something. You can do something like this. Something like that. Something like that.
Wow.
You drop back down like that. And then you do something over here. You come over, you hit this. You do that. You just do this. Okay. Then you get your bag.
You ain't even gotta get the bag. Here, we'll just show you one.
Oh yeah, there's another one.
Here's
right
the
there.
final.
Yeah, and there's
the
Blake
empty
usually
one.
Keeps his mullet products in that one. But
Yep. And they're perfect enough for like a decent sized body.
the bike is the mullet stuff. So really, it's kind of like. And this is reassembly, guys. The most impressive thing about it, it doesn't seem to be pissing gas everywhere. Yeah, they need this. You know, kind of give it a pull.
Oh yeah.
Give it a This up, boys. Boom. Boom. Fucking boom. Then you lift this up and you throw it on there. Boys, after that, you just say your prayers.
Yeah.
then you run.
Hope she stays together.
Then you go get fuel.
Hey, you know, these are only $3,000 new. And they come already pre-equipped to fall apart.
Yes. That way they have the weak points, that way you know about them up front.
It does shoot some fiery meatballs out the tailpipe, though. The spaghetti pipe. The whole time you were going the kickstand, dragging rocks.
I mean, didn't even have to pay but $500 for the pair. I mean,
Oh, dude, you're gonna be able to sell it
To the right buyer, I think.
You can have some damn commie bastard coming by, and you're gonna be like, "Oh, that's from my hometown country." Man, get out here, commie bastard. It was $3,000. Give me 2, and you go.
and you go.
Yep.
Nice. And you get the other one for free in the bag. But we got to watch you carry them out. If you can't carry them both out
Yeah.
same time,
I don't trust you already. You call me.
or if it'd be funnier, maybe we just put the other one on this rack and watch it just accordion on him,
Yeah.
fold up.
Just loosen all the bolts.
Well,
Like the big
done.
ones.
Check.
So as soon as he, yeah. Check.
So the way that this folds up, they're all kind of like a little loose, I think.
That's cool.
Like, look at this. Yeah, super cool.
Yeah.
I mean, it's... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.